Understanding Metamucil. When to expect results.
Hello and welcome to our discussion on Metamucil, a widely used fiber supplement. Today, we're going to answer a common question. How long does it typically take for Metamucil to show results? Remember, everyone's body is different, so individual results may vary.
What is Metamucil?
Metamucil is a dietary fiber supplement that is used mainly to treat constipation. It's derived from psyllium, a type of plant. Metamucil increases the bulk in your stool, which helps to move it through your digestive system. This can alleviate constipation and promote better overall digestive health.
How long does Metamucil take to work?
The average time it takes for Metamucil to show results is between 12 to 72 hours. This is, of course, dependent on the individual, the severity of their constipation, their diet, and many other factors. For some people, noticeable effects might occur within a day. For others, it might take a few days. It's important to know that regular use of Metamucil as part of a diet high in fiber can help promote a healthy lifestyle. Metamucil isn't just a quick fix. It's a supplement that can support long-term digestive health when used as directed.
Are there any precautions to consider?
While Metamucil is generally safe for use, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Always follow the dosing instructions provided by the manufacturer or your healthcare provider. If you don't experience relief within 7 days or have any concerns, it is recommended that you contact your healthcare provider. Remember, Metamucil is not a substitute for a balanced diet and regular physical activity. It's meant to supplement, not replace, these healthy habits. So, in conclusion, Metamucil can start showing results anywhere between 12 to 72 hours on average, depending on various factors. As always, if you're considering starting Metamucil or any other supplement, it's best to speak with your healthcare provider first. Your health is your most important asset, so take good care of it. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this video has been helpful in answering your questions about Metamucil.